So good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, Wednesday morning, and kicking off the day. We're just a couple of interesting things. We got a couple of client events coming up, one at the end of this month and one in June. Outside events, one golf and one little bit of just wine tasting. So if you haven't gotten an invitation for that, please send me an email. We'll definitely put you on the list. Just a little note to Mihala Mazulescu, our director in the SCE region based in Romania. She's been working hard, handing out awards to everybody that's been winning them, that won them last month at our SCE Awards. So Mihala, thank you for your hard work, and congratulations again to all of our winners for that event. Was really nice. Last Mile Magazine coming up in June, so anyone interested in getting involved in anything to do with last mile, warehousing, logistics, shoot us a quick email. We're just now putting together our digital and so interactive magazine for that. And of course our CEE Investment Awards got a couple new jury members that we'll announce later today, and one more sponsor, so that's great news. And we want you all to be involved in that, so also let us know. Limited seating and live and online October 20th and 21st. So yeah, Winston, how are you doing? Welcome to the show.
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
You got some news for us?
I got a bit of news.
You got a bit of news for us? Great. So let's just jump right into the CRE real estate news, and we'll be back in 20 seconds right after this great advertisement. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the brave new world of Europa Properties Last Mile digital and interactive magazine. It's the only one of its kind to cover the Central and Eastern European region with 100% dedication and focus on industrial property and logistics. Don't miss our June edition. So, welcome back, and Winston, ready for action?
Yeah, so today, thanks, Craig. Today, so quarter one saw 1.25 billion euros invested into the Polish real estate market, primarily into office investments from European funds. This is a report from CBRE. And like it says, offices have the largest share in the investment market, followed by the industrial and logistics segment, which is on a good run at the moment, as we know. And yeah, CBRE experts indicate that they're moderately optimistic about the investment fund moving forwards. They say that investors are, the deals being made is a sign that investors are cautious at the moment.
Right. Yeah.
And they're concentrating their efforts on very safe core investments.
Yeah. Well, probably no one's getting fired for being a bit safer than normal these days.
Yeah, it's these are uncertain times, reflected in the business. And according to Przemysław Felicki, he's the director in the capital markets at CBRE, he says that the offices and industrial generating the best results, but also retail and grocery supermarkets are seeing an uptick in deals. And there is also a growing interest in the residential sector.
Right. Sounds great.
And moving on, EBRD, they're backing their first green bond issue in Romania. So they're reinforcing their position as a leader in green finance, and they're supporting Raiffeisen Bank.
Oh, okay, great.
And Raiffeisen have raised 81 million euros to finance climate and environmental projects.
Wow, so these green bonds are just going crazy this year, aren't they?
Yeah, and according to Mark Davis, he's the EBRD Regional Director for Romania and Bulgaria. He says the EBRD remains at the forefront of efforts to strengthen Romania's capital markets, and they're pleased to back the country's first green bonds. And this is a pioneering move for Raiffeisen, and it's a reflection of how strong the market is down there. And the EBRD aims to become a majority green bank and dedicate more than half of its work to climate finance by 2025.
Well, they're good. They're watching out for the climate for us and making money at the same time.
Yeah, so thinking of the future, which is a good thing to be working on.
Absolutely.
Staying in Romania, and Cargus, has invested 500,000 euros in a new warehouse development. Cargus, they're an experienced courier company, and they're building this new warehouse in Buzău. And it's a build-to-suit concept for their courier business, and it can sustain further volume and growth. And you know, this is going to be an efficient logistics space. It's not like a massive warehouse for storage. It's to enable the quick delivery to their customers in the last mile segment.
Oh, so fulfillment.
Yeah, courier business. So it's a very innovative and quick, efficient process with parcels and delivery.
Maybe they'll invite us down there to take a little tour.
Maybe. Yeah. KCG Partners revealed positive news on Hungary's residential apartments. According to the Hungarian Central Statistical Office, regarding pricing, second-hand dwellings continue to rise, the prices, in 2020. However, the price increase has slowed down. Although it's risen, it's a slower rise than what they've experienced in the past. And new apartments are actually rising. Their prices are rising at a quicker rate.
Oh, okay.
Which is quite surprising. And to finish for today, we've got some news from the human resources sector of human resource sector, and Avison Young has expanded its operations in Hungary.
Oh, okay.
They're opening a new office leasing department, which will be headed up by Peter Nazigazi.
Okay.
And MLP Group has strengthened its team in Poland. This is due to the fast moving and growing property sector in the warehouse and industrial sector, with facilities. There's just constant need for new employees in that area. Yeah,
logistics developers or industrial developers, they're just hiring people all the time, it seems. Yep.
Seems to be, yeah. They got 5 new hires there, and you can find out more information on those things on our website.
Yeah, great. Okay. Well, so that's all for today, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, everybody, have a great day. I know Central Eastern Europe, it's getting warmer and warmer, so I hope everyone's enjoying the sun, and I know some of the restrictions are easing as well, so have a little bit more fun and enjoy life, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Thank you for joining Coffee with Craig.